Hello guys, welcome back. Ions that help you shoot better video without overspending. From budget cameras to essential accessories, we cover all the gear you really need and what you can skip. Discover the top 5 best camera gear for 90% of people in 2026. From the versatile Sony Alpha 7 III and sleek Canon EOS R50 to the compact Fujifilm X-E5, plus OM system Olympus M. Zuiko 12 to 45mm f/4 Pro and the ultimate action and adventure kit, we've got every shot covered. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Introducing Alpha 7 LLL/Sony/A. The Sony Alpha 7 III, often referred to as the A7 III, is a game-changer in the world of full-frame mirrorless cameras, blending professional-grade performance with remarkable versatility. Designed for photographers and videographers alike, the A7 III offers a perfect balance between speed, precision, and image quality, making it a top choice for enthusiasts and professionals. At the heart of the camera lies a 24.2-megapixel full-frame XMR or BSI CMOS sensor, which, paired with the Bionz X image processor, delivers stunningly sharp images with exceptional dynamic range and low-light performance. The camera's impressive ISO range of 100 to 51,200, expandable to 50 to 204,800, ensures crisp, noise-free images even in challenging lighting conditions. Autofocus performance is where the A7 III truly shines. With 693 phase detection points and 425 contrast detection points, the camera provides fast, accurate tracking of subjects, whether capturing high-speed sports, wildlife, or portrait sessions. Continuous shooting at 10 frames per second further empowers photographers to never miss a decisive moment. Video creators also benefit from the A7 III's 4K UHD recording capabilities, utilizing full pixel readout without binning for professional quality footage. Additional features like 5-axis in-body image stabilization, dual SD card slots, and an extended battery life make the A7 III reliable for long shoots and demanding projects. Compact yet robust, the Sony Alpha 7 III is perfect for anyone looking to elevate their photography or filmmaking to the next level. With its combination of cutting-edge technology, versatility, and intuitive handling, the A7 III continues to define the modern full-frame mirrorless experience. OM system/Olympus M. Zuiko 12 to 45mm f4. Pro product review. The OM system/Olympus M. Zuiko 12 to 45mm f/4 Pro is a compact, high-performance standard zoom lens designed for photographers who want premium optics in a lightweight, travel-friendly package. Covering a useful 24 to 90mm equivalent focal range, this lens blends everyday versatility with professional-grade build quality, making it an ideal companion for street, travel, landscape, and even macro-style shooting. At the heart of the 12 to 45mm Pro is consistently sharp image quality throughout the zoom range. Reviewers note impressive resolution and contrast from edge to edge, with minimal chromatic aberration and well-controlled flare thanks to Olympus's zero optical coating. Despite its constant f/4 aperture, which is somewhat modest compared to faster zooms, the lens delivers vibrant, detailed images and smooth tonal transitions that hold up in real-world shooting. One of this lens's strongest points is its exceptionally compact and lightweight design, weighing just about 254 g, while still offering a robust weather-sealed construction that stands up to dust, splashes, and cold conditions when paired with a weather-sealed camera body. Close focusing down to around 12 cm enables semi-macro shooting across the zoom range, adding creative versatility without sacrificing portability. In summary, the M. Zuiko 12 to 45mm f/4 Pro is a well-balanced all-rounder that excels in everyday use, offering excellent optics, rugged build, and travel-ready convenience, though its f/4 speed may be limiting in low light compared with faster alternatives. Canon EOS R50. The Canon EOS R50 is a lightweight, APS-C mirrorless camera that brings capable imaging and video performance into a compact, easy-to-use package ideal for beginners, vloggers, and content creators stepping up from a smartphone or compact camera. It features a 24.2-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor paired with Canon's powerful Digic X image processor, delivering sharp, vibrant stills and smooth performance across photography and video tasks. Autofocus is one of the R50's strongest assets. Dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with up to 651 AF zones offers fast, reliable subject detection and tracking for people, animals, and vehicles, a big help when shooting action, portraits, or moving subjects. Continuous shooting is competitive too, with up to 15 frames per second using the electronic shutter for capturing decisive moments. Video makers get uncropped 4K UHD at 30 frames per second oversampled from 6K, along with 1080p slow motion recording at 120 frames per second, enough quality for YouTube, travel clips, and social content without overwhelming beginners. The camera includes a fully articulating 3.0-inch touchscreen, a bright 2.36 million dot electronic viewfinder, built-in Wi-Fi/Bluetooth, and a pop-up flash, making it versatile for lifestyle, travel, and everyday shooting. Weighing around 375 g with battery, the R50 is comfortable to carry all day and pairs with Canon's expanding RFS and RF lens ecosystem, or even older EF/EFS glass with an adapter. While its small body and entry-level controls may feel limited for seasoned photographers, its balance of image quality, autofocus tech, and intuitive controls make the EOS R50 a compelling choice for those starting their creative journey in mirrorless photography and video. Fujifilm X-E5 Promotional Video/Fujifilm. Introducing the Fujifilm X-E5, a stylish and powerful mirrorless camera that redefines creativity for photographers on the go. Compact, lightweight, and designed with Fujifilm's signature craftsmanship, the X-E5 combines classic aesthetics with modern imaging technology, making it the perfect companion for street photography, travel, and everyday moments. At its core, the X-E5 features a 26.1 megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor paired with the X Processor 5, delivering exceptional image quality, vibrant colors, and stunning detail in every shot. From sunlit streets to low-light scenes, the camera's wide ISO range ensures clear, sharp, and noise-free images, letting you capture every moment exactly as you envision. The Fujifilm X-E5 also excels in autofocus performance, offering fast and accurate tracking for moving subjects. Its sleek rangefinder-style design includes a high-resolution electronic viewfinder and a fully articulating LCD screen, giving photographers full creative control from any angle. For videographers, the X-E5 provides 4K video recording with crisp detail and rich colors, making it a versatile tool for both photography and filmmaking. Coupled with Fujifilm's renowned film simulation modes, the X-E5 allows creators to achieve cinematic looks directly in camera, without the need for extensive post-processing. With its perfect blend of portability, performance, and style, the Fujifilm X-E5 empowers photographers and creators to capture life in all its beauty. Whether you're exploring urban streets, scenic landscapes, or intimate portraits, the X-E5 is designed to make every shot extraordinary. Best Action and Adventure Kit GoPro Hero 13 Black Plus Accessories. The GoPro Hero 13 Black Plus Accessories Kit is the ultimate action and adventure capture package built for thrill seekers, creators, and storytellers who refuse to miss a single moment. At its core is the Hero 13 Black, one of the most capable action cameras available today, combining stunning 5.3K video quality, 27MP photos, and industry-leading hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization to deliver rock-steady footage whether you're shredding trails, riding waves, or exploring rugged backcountry terrain. This all-in-one kit goes far beyond the camera body, bundling essential accessories that make capturing epic content effortless right out of the box. With dual Enduro batteries you get extended runtimes, meaning more shoots and fewer interruptions. A 64GB microSD card gives you plenty of space to store high-resolution video and photos on the go. A floating handler hand grip keeps your camera secure in water and doubles as a stable shooting platform for POV shots. A rugged carrying case keeps everything organized and travel-ready. The included mounts and adapters give you instant versatility, attached to helmets, handlebars, or chests, and frame every adventure from immersive angles. Whether you're recording intense downhill runs, snorkeling crystal waters, or capturing cinematic slow-motion sequences at 240 frames per second, this kit equips you for it all. What makes this combo truly special is how accessible it is. Beginners can dive right in with the included gear, while experienced shooters get a robust foundation to build their rig. From rugged outdoor excursions to social-ready content, the GoPro Hero 13 Black Plus Accessories Kit delivers professional-grade performance and unmatched creative freedom for every adventure. So, guys, that all for like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.